How to set Nintendo Switch as primary console. To set Nintendo Switch as your primary console, you simply have to open the Nintendo shop from your console's home screen. Then select your user profile avatar in the top right corner to open the account settings page. Then scroll down the right-hand information panel all the way to the bottom. Then locate the primary console row. If it says this console is registered as your primary console, no further steps are needed. But if it says a console or a different console is registered, you must deregister the old hardware first and re-log in. Now you simply have to turn on your old Nintendo Switch, launch the Nintendo eShop once again on your old control or on your own console, and click the user avatar in the top right and click the deregister option and enter your account password to confirm the removal handshake. Once you do this, you simply have to now register your new primary console by clicking on the Nintendo eShop once again. Then select your user profile to open the store, and the Nintendo network server will scan your account and see that no other device is active and automatically register this console as your new primary machine. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.